Cena drives Randy Orton back first. And there's the
able to get it now.
Knuckle shuffle.
He's got him right where he wants him.
Going for the AA. John gonna hit it. He hit it.
Delivers the AA. Could this be it? Orton able to power out.
What?
And the look of concern on Bray Wyatt's face.
For the first time, Bray Wyatt popped out of that rocking chair. Was concerned about his guy, Randy Orton. John Cena realizing that he's going to have to go for a home run.
And he
to put down the 12-time world champion, Randy Orton, for the 3 count.
And he's ascending the turnbuckles, but Randy Orton jumps up to his feet.
Uh-oh.
Oh, from the top turnbuckle! Big DDT! And now, Orton grabbing the top rope, blocking the A attempt. Oh! And Orton got driven into the referee. Drop toe by Cena. And he's looking for the STF. He has it snatched in. And
Orton's tapping. He tapped.
Orton tapped. Cena broken, knowing that he won the match, but there's no referee. And Bray Wyatt unloading on John Cena.
The matches continue, though. The referee is down.
And Randy Orton and Bray Wyatt viciously attacking John Cena.
Come on.
And the Wyatt family taking advantage of the fact that the referee's been knocked out of the ring. The kiss, and Cena counters with a clothesline on Orton. But the Sister Abigail's delivered by Bray Wyatt.
That's Luke Harper.
Here comes the estranged member of the Wyatt family.
So much for that hold.
The discus clothesline wipes out Bray Wyatt. Sneaking up from behind, the Viper Randy Orton, who will face Luke Harper in Elimination Chamber on Sunday. AA by Cena.
There's the referee.
And there's the pin. John Cena wins.
Here's your winner, the WWE Champion, John Cena.
John Cena emerging victorious tonight, but can he survive 5 WWE superstars in the ominous structure? That's the Elimination Chamber on Sunday, John.
Because of the Elimination Chamber, there's not going to be any outside interference. At the Elimination Chamber, it's every man for himself. And John, depending on the look of the draw, could have to go through 5 WWE superstars to retain the WWE Championship.